Beautiful day, birds chirping, dogs barking, blah, blah, blah. So it's 8 o'clock. I'm here. So I'm finna give y'all a little rundown of what I'm gonna try to knock out. So I'm gonna get these HIDs in here, right? Oh, man. Just got water in my boot. I cleaned this boy out. I'm gonna finish the wiring over there. I'm not gonna do the OBD2 port yet. That one wire that I was talking about, the temp, I'm gonna hide that. I have to use boxes for G-body consoles. Yeah, just trying to knock some stuff out, really. So, finish these HIDs real quick, and then they're wiring in the door. I'll probably go park it. So yeah, the window got a leak, and I'm gonna try and figure it out. I can't really tell, man. Can't really tell. So I probably just put a silicone. Cause I don't got no more window sealant. Probably put a silicone like right in the corner. Ain't the right answer, but it do work. So let me go ahead and do this. I hit my 2-hour limit on this car. I'm trying to go get the MC. I got 2 hours to try to do a console on that. Get my tools out, but got it clean for the most part. Still some wiring I gotta do down there. I could tuck that stuff in there, but it don't really look right because the fact the PCM skinny and the LS, you know, we got 2 big pieces on there. That's garbage. I'll have to vacuum it out real quick. Get these tools out, but yeah, it's sticking out a little bit at the bottom. So if I could modify this one, because I had to modify this one. If I had to modify this one, and if I could stick the PCM like in the car, I'll do that, but I'll check it in a second. And, for all the box Chevy riders, man, the flow wet. Tell me what I need to do. I'm finna look it up, but if I post this before I look it up, tell me what I need to do. Vacuum this out real quick, then get the G-body so I can start that console. I'm about to break this off. This is messing with me. Because I use this at work, man, and they go on the antenna, so I'm about to just break that off. I'm pretty sure I won't listen to this regular radio, but I will leave it in there if I do a console and put a radio at the bottom of it. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let me go ahead and vacuum this out so I can move it. Oh yeah, out of nowhere, man, my gauges doing this now. Like the car completely cold, I ain't started in 2 days. See if that usually comes in. That ain't working. Nope. That usually be swung that way. My fuel was working, and now it's swinging like it's all the way out of range. I tested with the ohm meter between 0 and 90, so I know the sending unit good. But I see. So yeah, just a little bit more wiring and stuff like that. They had this wire yet. This is cruise control. I'm gonna try to make that work. So yeah, I let the battery charge. So I was working on it with the door open. The lights on. About to go and park it. I got the electric fan, which I forgot. So I need to make some brackets for that. That'll take me about an hour or so. A couple L brackets style. But yeah, I gotta go ahead and put it back. I got the screw for the end fender. Need to put that back in. I'm about to go and park it, bring the MC around. It's cloudy. Mother Nature might have other plans for the G-body console. But anyway, I just got the ashtray out. I need to clean this boy for real. This bezel right here is cracked up a little bit. So I'm gonna try my best to just center it. Alright, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna go from here to here. And then on the contour, which is always what I have a problem with. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. Cause I kinda wanna go over this transmission tunnel and then, you know, send it back. But we'll see. We about to see in a second what I can come up with. All right, got the side pieces even enough for the template, but I need to get a new jigsaw blade. That boy, a little wavy now. I've been using this same blade for some time, man. I don't believe I changed that at least like 3-4 months, and I'll be using it a couple times a week. So it's definitely time. I gotta check my toolbox and see if I got some though, but get the picture. I would shave it down some more and make them completely even, but I need it. I need this for the top. So it's 1 inch. I got a width of 10 inches. Cut a 9-inch piece. I might do strips because you can't really make a straight curved piece unless you shave it down too, which I don't really want to keep doing. So I'm gonna do some 1-inch strips that's gonna be 9 inches long and put them in between. But like if I was doing a point one, or like my old box Chevy ones, which I'm about to change to, but the glue and screw ones that's been out there, they'll stay out there as an option. But what I'm about to start doing is curving everything. So I'm gonna make some 9-inch long, 1-inch wide strips, put them boys in there, and then that's how you get it. And you just screw, or what I'm about to do is use a nail gun, clap, 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 clap. So this is gonna be straight. The back ones probably be straight, and then the strips gonna go here. Probably can do a straight one right like that. Cut strip, strip, strip. But yeah, I'm about to knock that out right now. I need to get, see, I actually did this pretty fast, man. Let me see. From start to now is 50 minutes, so that ain't too bad compared to my first time. It took me like 6 hours just to get this. Then I stopped and I went back, like, so I'm getting pretty quick. All right, so now I got this. About to go ahead and make them strips, and then I gotta cut like half this board off. It got wet at the last unit, the small one I used to have. I gotta cut that off. Then hopefully I still got 9 inches on it, because this is the only half-inch I got. I'm trying to not use it 3/4. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and chop this bottom off and then get me some 9-inch strips. All right, we got our 9-inch cut. I have to cut that piece off somebody that spread it, and then chop it up, put it in my throwaway pile. But man, I can't wait to get a bigger shop. Like I have a table with my router, a table for like breaking down parts of the engine. Like I can stand up, because I always gotta put my tools on the floor and then be on the floor. But anyway, I'm just making it happen. So we better cut out 1-inch strips, put them in between those pieces, and then from there, I guess I'll just keep taking the console out and adjust to the transmission tone. So this console is like way past what I was doing with the box Chevy console with the glue and screw. Like, it's a lot more modifications to it, stuff like that. But like I say, it's pretty simple doing it. That's not 1 inch, but it's pretty simple doing it. Pretty fun. But I got a date on the Tahoe now, so definitely gotta put it in the mix. Got some stuff I need to do today so I can get the motor ready. Yeah, all right, time to start cutting. My prototype here, man. I need to yeah, I cut them holes with the hose saw. So I need to bring this up like 3/4. I'm actually gonna measure this, and then that's what I'm gonna bring it up. It ain't perfect, but it was just for me to try and do this and that. So this is the G-body console right here, and this is the flat one. I got the round one inside. So the round one, same thing, but I won't make as many chops. It'll be a few small ones. But yeah, this one round. Yeah. So this piece I just make like what, 4 or 5 inch piece right here. And then 2 for this, 2 for the turn, blah blah, and so on and so on. So I actually like this one better than the other one, but the other one looks good because it's not that many cuts. But I'm about to put those up, park this car, then I come back and do some motor work. But yeah, She got me, Nella. How you gotta roll these 12s. Look, over 70 pounds each. You boys heavy. What I meant to say was when the speakers weigh more than you. What a tag at? 80 pounds each. God.